He literally signed the executive order to create the national Bitcoin reserve. What happens? Bitcoin sells off from 92,000 to 82,000 in like 10 minutes. I'm going like, what the hell is going on? I am okay with volatility, but this is making me like nauseous. Okay. So, but I would urge all of you, if you're in the markets, to do something that I think you should do. You have to obviously have the 3 P's, right? The patience, position, and planning. Patience is of the utmost importance now, okay? Because things are not going to stop where they're supposed to stop. They're just going to go lower, and you're going to get stopped out, or you're just going to blow your account. So patience. I've said this in the members live. I'm going to say it here, and I said it on these lives before. Be like the lion in the bushes, right? Don't chase rabbits. Don't chase squirrels. I know you're hungry. I know you're waiting. Just wait for a zebra to come across and give everything you have. Wait for a gazelle to come across. Give everything you have. Go chase it so you can eat for a month, as opposed to try to catch a rabbit because you're hungry. And that rabbit may be quicker than you, and then you just spent all your energy. The analogy is keep your dollars together. Keep a high cash level in your accounts, because you're going to need it. And when you do need it the most, you won't have it, because you're just kind of trading here, trading there, and zero DTE there, zero this, that, and no good. Patience. Okay. Number 2, position size, utmost importance. Don't step up with everything you got. Scale in, scale out. Like today, I sold some cash secured puts. I'll share it with you on 4 different, 1 index and 3 different stocks. I mean, talk about patience. Well, I waited and waited and waited and waited. And today I go, okay, first of all, when you're selling cash secured puts, you must be willing to own those stocks. If you're not willing to own it and you're just gambling, don't do it. Okay. You must be willing to own those stocks. And I'm willing to own all those 4. I usually do 5s at a time, 5 lots, which is 5 contracts, which is 500 shares. Me, out of all people, with a 6-figure account, I'm doing 2 lots at a time. What is that? That's sizing. Because I don't know where these things are going to stop. So I'm giving myself a little bit more room. Yeah, if they go up from here, if I pick the bottom, if they go up from here, great. Then I'll collect the premium and then they'll go away. But for me, I'm like, I got to size correctly. I can't shoot all my wad at once. You just got to size correctly. So I'm doing that. And the number 3 is planning. What is your plan? Is your plan to swing 0 DTEs and make $1 million? Could you have done well buying 0 DTE puts pretty much every day over the last 10 days and come out way ahead? Yeah. But, I can't play that game. The other thing that's happened is that implied volatility in the marketplace has been as high as I've ever seen it, especially on the index calls and puts. So when implied volatility is that high, directional bets become really, really difficult. Okay. And when VIX is at 25, when implied volatility is hitting 30% on indexes, which usually runs about 12, 14% for weeklies or for a month out options, watch out. You can buy those options. And even if the market moves in your direction, you're still not going to make as much, because the implied volatility is so high. And what's going to happen is that the theta, the IV crush is going to hit you at some point, and then you're going to go, those options just disappear. Yeah, you got to be really directional bets. Directional bets are really, really difficult when implied volatility is this high. So that's why I'm selling cash secured puts, because when implied volatility is so high, you'd rather be a seller than a buyer of options. Okay. I think I said pretty much what I have to say. What else? Did I miss anything? I don't know. You guys will remind me. So put it in the chat. Yeah, I'm gonna put them up now. Okay. Well, good point. One of our members. So I'm a full transparency on this channel. I lose. You just got living it with me. So I post all my positions every Monday, Wednesday, Friday after the market closes on the channel's YouTube channel's community page. Somewhere in the middle, it'll say like live and video and shorts and things like that. You just swipe left. It says community at the end, the last tab. You click on it. It opens up a page. After the market closes between 2 p.m. Pacific to the latest, I post the positions. Again, not trading or financial advice. You want to tag along, more than welcome to do so. If you don't, but then sometimes I trade in and out quickly, and if you do tag along, you're not going to have the luxury of knowing when I'm getting out, because so I post something on Monday and on Wednesday it's not there. I may have gotten out on Tuesday. Now I don't want you to hold the bag. So in order for you to participate live, you have to become a member, and I'll send you. So if you do choose to become a member, you click on join. You get a few things. Obviously, you get this T-shirt completely free, $30 item. We'll send it to you within a week. You get 4 live streams a month, every Wednesday. And you get the Telegram chat group. So if you do want to join, great. Shoot me an email, Sergio@sergioavedian.com, and I will send you the Telegram chat group link. But you have to be a member in order to get those perks. Yeah, that's about it. So you know what? I'll just put it up in case you guys want to join later. Here is the StreamYard link. May Taney. Oh, thank you. Best advice. I appreciate it. So yeah, that's the link. So let's go to what's happening. I mean, look, it's just so volatile now. Friday is the wrong day to rally, by the way. You don't want rallies on a Friday. Actually, my preference for all this would be to end this leg. Is going to be sell off today, open really down hard on Monday, get to see the whites of the eyes, as we used to call it on the trading desk. And then once you see the whites of the eyes, then you can buy some stuff. But again, keep your powder dry. This is not a market to mess around with. It will wipe you out. And I'm okay.